What's up, everyone? Day 3 of our trip to New Mexico. It's about 11:30 right now. We woke up, cooked breakfast. This morning it was raining quite a bit, sleeting, and now it's snowing. I don't know if you could tell, but I'll show y'all our setup here. There we go. Right on the river. That's Steven's rig, Derek's rig, the kids' tent. And then our rig. We all three have these diesel heaters. We've been running this one since, I don't even know what time, yesterday afternoon. I've been running mine on like 4 or 5 all night. Running it off my truck setup here. Right there. It's working great. And then over there, in that area, there's some hot springs. 3 different ones. Very hot water. It feels amazing. Excuse me. Pretty cool little campsite. There's Kendall. Connor's up in the tent sleeping. Pretty rad little setup. We're at, let me turn the camera around. So we're at, what is it called? Gila Hot Springs Campgrounds in New Mexico. And we got 3 spots. We got 7, 8, and 9, I believe. It's more than enough room for, I don't even know, 6 people, maybe even 6 vehicles if we wanted to, but we got 3. But pretty cool little setup. Just wanted to show y'all around. One more view of the whole campsite. These are the 3 hot springs they have here. That one's not covered. It has a rock in the middle that you can sit on. It's currently starting to snow here. Just show y'all this real quick. This one has a cool little waterfall. This is the one we got in last night. It was really nice, especially right before bed. It warms you up a lot before you get in the tent. This is, so they have potable water and then they have spring water here. And then this is the covered one. It's pretty nice. Has a little mini waterfall and a big rock to sit on in the middle. And then this.
And this is worse than mud. Because if you stop, you're going to keep going. With mud, you stop.
Yeah. It's not too bad though, to be honest. Careful there. He's almost there.
Huh? Almost. So when I get it
Hold
up,
on.
go ahead and give it a little throttle.
Hold on.
Too much.
You're almost there. Let the winch do it. You're good. Let the winch.
Look how deep.
Yeah. You want to straighten out? Well, yeah.
Now turn. As long as my rear's
Well,
up.
you might still. You need to get that tire up in this rut here. So that pump might start pushing you back. You need to get both your fronts up in these. This is so slippery
I know.
too, and that's what we're driving on.
I know. He should be good there. He's past that hump.
That's why I'm like, how are y'all driving so fast when I'm sliding on this stuff?